Good day. Today we're going to focus on a quick hit video on how to take Inventor drawings and embed them all into a single PDF structure. So quickly here, I got a couple of drawings that we're working with here. These particular drawings, easy enough to do, but we haven't created the actual top, front, right side images yet. So with this, as you can see, I'm working on a D-size sheet. It's got the large ENC environment. I need to edit the sheet, change it over to the B size. Delete out the large title block, and then insert the ENCA small title block. And so ultimately, we can now do the first drawing sheet, which we'll do part one, and then we've got part one creation. So let's go ahead and do base drawing. There is part one creation that I have, and whether we do part one or part one creation, I can do either one at this point, because I'm going to do both of these on a drawing sheet. So top, front, right side ISO. ISO is a little bit in the corner here. We can edge that over and make that fit. And we choose OK. So the key is we might need to shade this. If we do need to shade this one, we don't want to shade the top, front, right side. We only want to shade the ISO. We can right mouse click, edit the view. And then when we're in our view editing capability, we can choose the shading tool, and that will shade just that. So that's our first drawing. So I'm going to go ahead and quickly save this, and we'll go ahead and create a separate drawing. So we're going to go ahead and save this. We're going to save it under the new folder here. All right. So we've got the very first drawing created. Now we're going to go ahead and IPT, our part one here. We're going to go ahead and create a new drawing for that. So we're going to go File, New Drawing. And we can choose the new button and choose new drawing either way. Standard IDW is the appropriate term, and we're going to create a new IDW. And so for this, again, it's a D-size sheet. And why did it do that? Because I started a new drawing sheet as opposed to using the existing drawing sheet that I had previously created. And again, the reason behind this is that I want to show you how to copy one drawing sheet to the other so you can build a single drawing package. All right, so on this drawing sheet, we're going to go ahead and use the base view. It may actually pop up with the creation drawing again here, and it did not because I had previously selected the part as my last drawing. And so that's one-to-one. We can project this, or we can move this into our right location and project ISO top right side. OK. Highlight, right mouse click, edit, and choose shaded. So this particular drawing is pretty small. We could make this a 2-to-1. So I'm going to go back to the original front view, right mouse click, edit this view. And what's nice is that if I change it to the scale of 2-to-1, it should update all the drawings. It will not update the isometric view, but it will update the top, front, right side views. And again, we can then move these into the appropriate positions. All right, let me go ahead and save this view. And we're going to save this view again under that new folder. Okay, so now here's the scenario. I've got a drawing over here. Okay, and you can see that in the drawing environment, it's got multiple views. And then I got a separate drawing over here that I created. So two different parts, two different drawings. How do I make them all on one drawing package? So you can see that this says sheet 1 of 1 here, and this one says sheet 1 of 1 here. So here's how simple it is. Over in the browser, we right mouse click on the sheet name. So if we just right mouse click on sheet 1 and we choose copy. Now here's the key. We take and copy the sheet from one to the other. So this was part one. We're going to go back to the part creation, right mouse click, and paste it in the browser. So now I've got sheet one, and then I just added sheet two, but it's got the lightning bolt, which means it needs to be updated. So if I double click on sheet two, it now has created sheet two. Lightning bolt goes away. Notice that it says sheet 2 of 2, and that its scale is 2 to 1. We go back and double click on sheet number 1, and this says sheet 1 of 2, scale of 1 to 1, the original drawing. So a simple copy and paste between the two accomplish that. Now, how do we export to PDF? So the best way to export to the PDF is under File, Export, PDF. Now the nice thing is that it will export the PDF, and we're going to go ahead and we can call it whatever we want to call it. It's under PDF, but here's the key. Whenever you're exporting to PDF, always choose the options, because you want to make sure that you're not just sending the current sheet, but you're sending all the sheets, or you can choose what sheets you would like to do. You can color everything and remove object line weights. I typically do not. But the key thing is all sheets. Choose OK, choose Save, and it will automatically save your PDF file. So I've opened up the PDF file, and as you can see, I've got both drawing sheets, sheet 1 and sheet 2, in one PDF file. Really simple to do. Have a great day. We'll talk to you soon.